In this video, we're diving into how to use Process.st's data analytics tools. If you've been searching for a way to track your processes, measure team performance, and gain deeper insights into your workflows, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end, because I'll share an exclusive way to try Process.st for free with some bonuses that'll really get you started. Process.st's data analytics tools are powerful, but they're also incredibly simple to use, making them perfect for anyone, no matter your experience level. Let's break down how you can get the most out of them. First up, let's talk about how to track your workflows. Process.st makes it easy to create checklists that aren't just to-do lists. They're a way to track data and gather insights as tasks get completed. Once you've created your checklist and started using it in your team, Process.st's data tools begin to capture and display metrics in real time. These metrics include completion rates, time spent on each task, and even how often certain tasks are delayed. One of the standout features of Process.st's analytics is its ability to show you how long tasks typically take. Whether it's a single task or a whole process, you can look at historical data to identify bottlenecks or areas where your team is getting stuck. With this information, you can streamline your processes and improve team efficiency. But that's not all. Process.st also allows you to create custom reports. You can filter the data based on specific criteria, like the team member completing the task or the date it was completed. This gives you detailed insights into individual and team performance, helping you make data-driven decisions that can positively impact your workflow. In addition, Process.st's dashboard is designed to give you a high-level overview of all your processes and their status. You can see how many processes are in progress, how many have been completed, and track any overdue items. It's an excellent tool for staying on top of everything and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you're looking to collaborate with your team, Process.st allows you to assign tasks to specific people and monitor their progress directly within the tool. You can even leave comments and notes for your teammates, ensuring smooth communication and collaboration throughout your processes. The analytics allow you to see exactly who's working on what and for how long, which gives you a clearer picture of your team's productivity. Now, here's the best part. You can try out Process.st for free. In fact, by clicking the first link below, you'll gain access to an exclusive free trial and additional bonuses that'll give you even more power to manage your workflows. The data analytics tools in Process.st are essential for anyone looking to optimize their processes and track performance with ease. From real-time metrics to customizable reports, it's a tool that helps you make informed decisions and improve team efficiency. Don't miss the opportunity to use this software for free. Just click the link in the description to get started today.